I love doing open houses. Oh my gosh, I wake up so excited to do them. In fact, I just did one yesterday on a Thursday in the middle of the day or later in the day, and only 4 sets came by. But I got another set of buyers out of that because the ones that come to an open house on a Thursday between 4 and 6 are the ones that truly want to buy a house. And yeah, I at first I was sitting in there for the first half an hour, 40 minutes, thinking, okay, this is 2 hours out of my day, but I was working, so it wasn't a waste. But then all of a sudden, they started coming in, and so yeah, love open houses.
That's awesome. Because so many realtors don't like open houses, but I guess that's because they don't know how to do them.
Right, right. And I've seen other realtors do them, and I just want to, I'm pulling my hair out thinking, oh my gosh, you just have to do it this way. And you could be so much more engaged with them. And yet they're just walking out the door, or yeah, it's opportunity lost. So they just don't know how to do it the right way.
Yeah, yeah.
That is true. And then they think, yeah, open houses are just a way for me to advertise a listing and not really use it to my benefit to find a buyer. I met those buyers a week ago at an open house. And so I went from a week, 7 days to putting in an offer in a $3 million plus list, situation. It's almost difficult not to get people to work with you the way that he teaches.